Hey team, this is Daniel with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So my buddy Marcus, the fall guy, this is the lower to the Franken gun that he runs. As you can see, this thing has been heavily modified. One of the things that he has done to his is that he has what is this BB gun style safety. That you, instead of throwing the lever, you just push this button. Cool, he likes it. We had an issue. If you look at it, when you push this in, now it's on safe. Well, a traditional BB gun is on safe in that position. And when you push it in, now it's on fire. Well, again, I want to remind y'all that I do this channel to showcase for y'all stuff that we run into, problems and issues and solutions for those problems and issues, so hopefully y'all don't run into these. So we handed this rifle to my buddy Chris, who we told him it was a BB gun style safety, and he was thinking it was like the child's kind that I showed you. And basically, he was walking around the entire night with a firearm on fire, not on safe. Now, mind you, he did obey the other gun safety rules. He did not point this at anything that he was not willing to destroy. He kept his finger out of the trigger guard. We had no actual problems. We just had a potential problem. I'm probably going to get ate up for the word choice there, but please understand my heart on that, and that you know what I mean. The idea is, if you make any kind of modifications to your firearms, understand those and show those to other people. Make sure that they understand those before you let them go walking around with it. We had a great night. Got some awesome footage from that. It did make Chris actually not get some shots off at some pigs because he didn't understand the safety. And then whenever he figured out that it was backwards, well, then he shot, but the sounder was already running away. Guys, modifications, awesome. I love them. Make sure you understand them and can show them to other people and that they understand them before you let them run your rifle. Alright guys, so that's the video. If y'all want to talk about this some more, please comment. I love talking with y'all. And again, I'm just trying to help y'all out so that way y'all don't run into the same issues that we run into. We're learning as we go and trying to help others along the way. So whatever it is that y'all do, just be awesome at it. Bye.